Hello world, this is AmL, and I am back with another video vlog. But this time, I'm here to do a hotel review. Right now, I am at the Hyatt Regency at DFW here in Dallas, Texas. Now, before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. Well, technically it is. I am here due to my job. My job sent me here. I'm here for training for 10 days. So they booked me for 8 days. The weekend, which is 2 days, I paid for it out of my own pocket. So there goes the transparency. This is the entrance to the hotel room, and this is the diagram for the Hyatt Regency. I guess this is the emergency evacuation if necessary. To your right, we have a sink. Now, I'm assuming this is the sink for the bathroom. You have the extra large mirror. Base. All right. So what do we have here? 2 washcloth, body lotion, tissue here, hand rag or hand towel, coffee maker with your dark roast, caffeinated or decaffeinated. Okay, facial soap. Okay. Oh, this is lit. Look at that. Boom. Wait. Oh, you can see yourself. Extra close. This is neat. First time I ever see one of these in a hotel. First time. All right. Ample lighting. I like the backsplash. Okay. You have the air dryer. Extra, toilet paper. All right, so we move into the bathroom. Okay. Okay, now for my viewers, you know how I feel about bathtub with shower, okay? But I'm not throwing any shades. Still nice, clean, okay? Clean. All right. I'm assuming the water pressure is good. All right. You have your hanger here to hang your, towel, toilet bowl, a few bath towels. It's pretty clean, as you can see. Pretty clean. Up next, the closet. Okay, hangers, ample hangers on both sides, about 8 total. You have the ironing board, and as you can see, plenty of space for my extra large luggage, my carry-on, and my laptop bag. Still no light. Extra pillows and comforter, I'm guessing. All right. Okay. We have another mirror. Peace. Let me put the light on. Maybe that'll make it better. We have the dresses here. TV. I'm going to guess this is 46-inch. Okay. We have our office desk. I like this. I like the design of this. Leather seats. My man. Look at that. Hey. All right. I like the lamp. Okay. So, ooh, it extends. Hey. Okay. Boom. All right. We have a fridge. Awesome. Just in case you buy something, you know. Carpeted. Okay, two. I'm assuming this is queen size bed. Two queen size bed. Okay. We have our alarm clock, phone, another lamp, nightstand lamp. All right, more space. Three pillows. They gave me three pillows per bed. Hey, that's lit. Okay. Now you know I gotta check. They got a blackout curtains. Okay. They have blackout curtains. Awesome. See, this is what we're talking about. Blackout, or some might call it thermal curtains. That's what I like. Perfect. Nice. Nice. All right, we have the thermostat right here. Okay. The bathroom sink. I don't know why it's designed this way, but if you look at my previous hotel review, there's another one that we booked that's designed similar to this one. So I just want to add one thing about the review that I forgot to mention. The walls in this hotel room, I feel like, is very thin. You can hear people's conversation. You can hear people walk back and forth. Um, but then again, are you going to be here all the time? I doubt it. Okay. But other than that, it's all good. It's all good. I just want to add that on to the review. My final thoughts. The hotel is good, clean. Um, Gentleman who helped me at the front desk, very helpful, very professional. Thank you. So I had to extend 2 days, okay, over the weekend, and he was able to book me for those 2 days. And thank you for that. Very courteous. Um, yeah, he was great from beginning to end. Thank you. Now I noticed the hotel I think it needs a little bit more lighting. It's dark, a little dark. But then again, are you gonna hang out here all day? No. Um, I like it. It's clean, spacious, nice, and simple. It doesn't have a umph, you know, or an X factor to it, but it's manageable. So also, I rented a car. The parking lot, great. Booking, check-in, great. Um, I don't have nothing to complain about. It's good. So it's all good. So if you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on the comment box. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is ML from Kadirs.tv. Hello world, bye world. Peace.